Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Thanks for stopping by. We are almost done. We are almost complete with this build. Everything has been put on the bike save for the tank because I don't want to be leaning over it when I'm adjusting the carburetors and such, trying to get it to run. So it is still not on the bike, but that's a 5-minute job to get it on. But everything else has been on. The chain is on, the sensors, the electric, everything is on the bike. It's ready to roll. So let's take a look at it, see what we got. Oh yeah. See, I had to fabricate that little speed sensor and the pickup. So it actually goes right in one of these mounting holes and is held on with a circlip in the back. That's nice and tidy. And there it is. Go in there and look at that muffler, all nice. Put on the bash plate, put on the brake. You can see the brakes all on, and the IMS. Those are nice. I like those a lot. Say hi, baby. Say hi. Good girl. We'll clean up these little zip ties, get everything kind of fitted. But we are ready to go. Sticker tires and a legal plate, a 1974 Texas plate. Legal. So there you have it. It's ready to go. We're going to go in there and show the build, and at the very end we'll do a fire on the carburetor and get it running through the carburetor, test everything out there, and very, very happy. The boys are back in Texas, coming back October 1st through the 3rd. Book your MotoGP tickets now. So anyway, let's see how we got here. So I have a Trail Tech sensor pickup, a magnet pickup that goes on a conventional fork with some adhesive here. And I needed to fashion a small pickup magnet that will mount onto the wheel. The original that you get with the KTM looks similar to this, and it goes through one of the holes in the disc, but since I have a drum, I'm going to use one of the holes that's on the hub side. And so I fashioned my own with a little magnet in the top, epoxied on, and it has a little bitty recess there. Right there, you can see it. And that recess will hold a 7mm little circlip, and it will go in this little hole right here, just like this. Well, like that. Seat in there. And there will be a circlip on the back, and that will give my sensor, my magnet, a sensor to pick up so I can tell how fast I'm going. So, there you go. So as you saw in the last little section, it's running on the carburetor, but it's not running very well. There's some adjustment needs to be made. Any of the air screws or the idle set screw was not actually having the right effect. And I think it's because either the needle is too far down, or there needs to be an adjustment on the cable that comes into the carburetor from throttle. And I think that's probably where the issue is. So we're gonna make some adjustments, and hopefully that will solve our issue. And hopefully in the next video, we'll have a running bike and we'll take a ride. So stay tuned.